We are now at part B of question 10 of a January 2025 paper 2 CSEC mathematics paper. It says, determine the values of the unknown in each of the matrix equations below. Alright, so you're adding the two matrices. Let's copy this. How many marks they give? 2 marks. Alright. So here now, we want the thing there, the unknown values. So remember, when you add two matrices, you add the corresponding elements. 4 plus x is equal to negative 3. So you're going to have 4 plus x is equal to negative 3. Here, 0 plus 2 is 2, as we can see, no problem. And negative 2 plus 8 is equal to y. So you have negative 2 plus 8 equals y. Let's just check this. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Alright, no problem. But here, alright, so negative 2 plus 8 is y. Negative 2 plus 8 is what? Negative 6. No, 6. It's same as 8 minus 2. So 6 is equal to y. So y is 6. Alright? You get y. As for the x part now, 4 plus x is negative 3. So if you say 4 plus x is negative 3, and then you can say x is equal to negative 3 minus 4, subtract, get negative 7. So x is equal to negative 7. So x is negative 7. So you finally write down the answer. X is equal to negative 7. Y is equal to 6. Alright? Okay. That's 1 mark for each. 4 marks now. In this case, this is what you have. We're going to multiply two matrices, which is harder. That's why they give 4 marks. Even though they give 2 marks for the addition part, the first. Alright, so we want A and C, the unknowns. So look now. When you multiply two matrices, you multiply a row by a column. Alright? This 10 is in row 1, column 1. So you multiply row 1 by column 1. Remember that. So therefore, row 1 by column 1. First element in row 1 times first element in column 1 is 5a, plus second element in row 1 times second element in column 1 is negative 3 times c is equal to, you just did row 1 by column 1, so you get the answer in row 1, column 1, which would be negative 10. Alright? So you have that. Now, next thing, well, you don't have to do this part, but you know that you would have the 13 should come from row 1, column 2. First in row 1 by first in column 2 plus second in row 1 by second in column 2. So 5 2's 10 plus negative 3 by negative 1, which would be 3 1's 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So you get the 13 here, right? Alright, but you don't need that. You're going to need this one now. The C, you need to find out what the C is. So here now, if you consider the 17 is in row 1, column 2. So you must multiply. No, row 2, let me do that part again. It is in row 2, column 1. So you must multiply row 2 by column 1, where the C is located, right? So first element in column 2 by first element, first element in row 1 by first element in column, no, it's row 2, column 1. First element in row 2 by first element in column 1 is 2a, alright, plus second by second now, remember it's first by first plus second by second. Second in row 2 by first in column 1 is going to be 3 times c is equal to, a while ago you did row 2 by column 1, so this is row 2 column 1, so this gives you 17. And it's a positive 17. I just erase that to make sure. Alright. And let me just check here. The 1 is in row 2 column 1. Row 2 by column 1 would be 2 by 2 plus 3 by negative 1. 2 2 is 4 minus 3 is 1. Good. So that part is okay, even though you wouldn't really need that part. Alright, so now, here, what you have, let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2, because I see that I have a pair of simultaneous equations here. So you have 5a minus 3c is negative 10, minus 3c, not 36, minus 3c is negative 10. And 2a plus 3c is 17. Okay. If we have equation 1, equation 2, we could eliminate c directly right now, you know. Just add the equation. So equation 1 plus equation 2 would be 5a plus 2a gives us 7a. Negative 3c plus 3c would be 0c. Alright? That's 0. Equal. Add these now. Negative 10 plus 17 would be 7. So what you have is 7a is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 over 7 is 1. A is 1. Alright? Now let's substitute a equal 1 in equation. Let's use equation 2. Right? Because it doesn't have any negative. Easier to deal with just positive numbers. So 2 times 1 plus 3c is equal to 17. So 3c would be 17 minus 2, which is 17 minus 2 is what? 15. 17 minus 2 is 15. So 3c is 15. So if you divide both sides by 3, you cancel 3, you get c is equal to 3 into 15, 5. So the answer is a is equal to 1, c is equal to 5. A equals 1, c equals 5. You see that? And that is it for question 10. So I'll see you in the next video. Right? Remember, if you're not a subscriber, you subscribe. You must share the video with somebody else. Any questions and so on you have, put them in the comment section. I'll see you.